This is the channel to pick the right product for your needs. Watch this channel's video before you decide. Right Pick presents top 5 best upright vacuums. Let's get started with the list, starting of our list at number 5, Hoover T-Series Wind Tunnel Rewind Plus Bangless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Why you will like this vacuum cleaner? Let's see some features. Lightweight upright vacuum cleaner with wind tunnel technology for consistent suction. Wind tunnel technology lifts and removes surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. 25-foot retractable power cord. Rinse clean filter and permanent HEPA filter. Includes extension wand, crevice tool, upholstery dusting brush, and powered hand tool. Product built to North American electrical standards. Check the description below to see the best price and more info. At number 4, Bissell Clean V Bangless Upright Vacuum. Take a look at some of its features and benefits. One-pass technology provides powerful, non-stop suction with an innovative brush designed to clean on the initial pass. Includes turbo brush tool, bottom easy empty dirt tank, washable foam tank filter, a 2-year limited warranty, and crevice tool. Multi-level filtration helps to reduce household allergens. Cyclonic system for long-lasting, powerful suction and a lightweight design. 25-foot power cord. Coming in at number 3, Shark Rotator Professional Lift Away Upright Vacuum. Some cool features can help you to buy it or not. Lift away. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. 2-in-1 vacuum. Upright and lift away for portable cleaning. Premium pet power brush. Picks up pet hair and debris, and deep cleans dander from all surfaces. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Advanced swivel steering with LED headlights. Excellent control for maneuvering around furniture. It's an excellent vacuum cleaner. You can choose it for your needs. Check the description below to see the best price and more info. At number 2, Bissell 9595 A Clean View Bangless Vacuum with One Pass. This vacuum cleaner is really a different one because of its nice features. Fast and easy cleaning in a lightweight vacuum with powerful suction and innovative brush design that cleans more. Innovative brush design rotates down into carpet to clean more on the initial pass. Cyclonic system for long-lasting, powerful suction. Turbo brush tool for stairs, furniture, upholstery, and more. Easy empty dirt tank, multi-level filtration, and washable foam tank filter. To know more about this vacuum, you can check the description below this video. And lastly, our top choice is Shark Navigator Lift Away Professional with Dust Away and 2 microfiber pads. Its top-notch features you should consider. Lift away. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. 2-inch-1 vacuum upright and lift away for portable cleaning. Dust away hard floor attachment plus 2 washable microfiber pads. Picks up large debris and fine dust from bare floors. Anti-allergen complete seal technology plus a HEPA filter. Traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Powerful and lightweight. Portable and versatile at 13.7 pounds. To see all of our choices, go to the links below in the description and search for more information and the price.